Now on to a much anticipated journey in Nakuru County as it now awaits President Uhuru Kenyatta's nod to be Kenya's fourth city after senators approved the elevation. The journey which started 2 years ago has however had its challenges. Section of locals are however still opposed to the elevation.
Nakuru, one of the fastest growing urban centers in the country, coming forth by size after Nairobi, Mombasa and Kisumu. For decades, the town has served as the administrative hub of what used to be Rift Valley province, and its journey towards attaining city status has been long.
Mimi ningependa kwanza kusema shukurani kwa governor na viongozi wote ambao walifanya bidii, na ningeomba rais wetu kama anaweza kupitisha, itakuwa baraka, maana kuwa mji kuna faida yake.
That many people don't know what it means to be a city, the residents of Nakuru. It is true because they've never been in that space. But more importantly is that we are going to engage with them and also confirm that some of the benefits that come with the city are going to benefit almost everybody you can imagine.
Following his election in 2017, Governor Lee Kinyanjui initiated the process of elevating Nakuru municipality to city status by forming a technical committee that has steered the course for over 700 days and bore fruit. On Thursday, the Senate approved the conferment.
The Nakuru of now and another 5 years to come will be a different Nakuru. Opportunities will be more. We'll have greater conferencing facilities, we'll have more visitors, we'll have more demand for food, more demand for taxi, more demand for entertainment, and therefore our town is going to be lively and is going to be the sort of town that everybody would want to come.
Jubilations would then spark the town that had been crossing fingers, awaiting the declaration.
We hope at the right time, once the president has assented, we'll be able to come and receive the charter formally, and then from there we can start our planning. So it is still work in progress.
The finding of the Senate Standing Committee on Devolution and Intergovernmental Relations approved that the municipality had met all requirements for elevation of status, fundamentally the 250,000 population threshold that now stands at 367,183.
Beyond also becoming a city, we are also aligning our policies to become business friendly, to become a one-stop shop for business solutions, and also to create opportunities for people across the board.
The committee added that Nakuru would sustain its operations as per criteria statute, as it had demonstrated its potential and capacity in revenue generation.
The responsibility of leaders is to offer hope. And I see this city moment as also a moment of hope for the business people of Nakuru, for a person in their small business here in Nakuru, and for anybody else who also is looking to that.
The move has, however, received objections from a section of local leaders and clerics who attribute the move as a fast forward, basing the elevation of the population alone as ill-advised, as the municipality lacked basic amenities. They added that the cost of maintaining the city status would affect the host citizenry. Benson Mwangi is a former mayor in the Municipal Council of Nakuru, who says service delivery to the residents is deplorable and would require up to 15 years to improve.
Hakuna kitu kizuri kinakuja bila costs. Pia tunajua kwamba hii pia itatu cost. Sababu sasa kama ni rent rates, kama ni house rent, tunajua ya kwamba mambo ingine itabadilika, nyumba zitapanda, rent rates zitapanda.
Ajue wananchi wa Nakuru, jina city ni very expensive kwa sababu rate zote zitaongezeka. Rad rate, licenses, rate ya maji, kila kitu itaongezeka. Kwa hivyo itakuja na cost yake.
Nothing was stopping us from increasing even before. So it is not that you have to become a city for you to increase. If you had wanted to increase, we would have done it before. But as far as I know, it is not a priority now. And within what we have, within the current numbers, all you need is to ensure that the little you are supposed to pay, you are paying, and it goes towards the intended purpose.
Mwangi, who is also chairman of Nakuru Hotels and Caterers Association, called on the president to withhold elevation of Nakuru city status, citing that the county administration had not demonstrated how the revenue base would sustain the city status.
Mimi, my appeal to His Excellency the President, ningemuomba asiidhinishe Nakuru kuwa city, atupe muda kwanza ili mambo haya mengi, hasa mambo ya maji, iwe iko ya kutosha.
Lakini hata hivyo kuna changamoto. Tafadhali ndugu zangu, tembeeni mashinani, mjue ya kuwa huu mji mnataka uwe mji mkuu una matatizo makuu ambaye sote tusipoungana kusaidia tutakuwa tunajiingiza tu kwa shida mpya ambaye hatuna suluhu juu yake.
Dissenting voices from other clerics and leaders saying elevation of the town would make it even more competitive as far as tourism is concerned. The chairman of the Central Rift Matatu Association, Stephen Muli, whose sector had been adversely affected by the county's administration in relocation, welcomed the move.
Na waangalie zile biashara ambao zimeathirika sana kama biashara ya uchukuzi ya matatu, waweze kuwaconsider ya kwamba mahali wako waweze kupata biashara. Sababu sasa mchi ambao una magari ya kuingia mjini ni kumaanisha kwamba biashara haitaweza kukua kwa haraka.
Dispelling widespread fears that the devolved unit's administration would review upwards the cost of business licenses, land rates, service charges and amenities such as water and sewerage service. Nakuru County boss Lee Kinyanjui stated his priority would be to source for additional funding for urban development and enforcing collection of revenue on existing streams.
Beyond the elevation in paper, we will align all our programs to ensure that we work towards the achievement of that.
The move is expected to improve the status of Naivasha town, which is the second largest town in the county.
Naona ni vyema Nakuru iwe mji mkuu kwa vile ukiangalia distance kutoka Nairobi mpaka hapa iko very far, na Nakuru inaonekana kama itakuwa katikati mwa nchi. Kwa hivyo sisi watu wa bonde la ufa tunaona ni vyema
kufanywa mji mkuu. Hatutakuwa tukifurika kama wao wanaenda Nairobi, tutakuwa tukienda Nakuru ku provide kama wao wanaenda Nairobi.
Governor Kinyanjui assured residents that his administration will work closely with the national government to put in place measures to ensure the cost of doing business is friendly, exuding confident that the elevation of the town will spur economic growth.
Kuna challenge mbele yetu, na kama hatuko mbele ya challenge ama kuwa tayari kukutana na hiyo challenge, tutakuwa tu mji mkuu kama mjukuu mwenye ana shida kuu.
Indeed, Nakuru is one of the fastest growing urban centers in the country.